I knew I had to take my chance on making it my boo. Middle of June, sometime late in the afternoon, fresh on the set, got them things to do. Like a Russian roulette, I knew I had to play risky, in case we didn't mix like soda and whiskey. But time stood still when I saw her smile at me, got me wishing that forever it was 3:33. Gladly I let it be, I let it pass, enjoying your presence, you're sitting next to me. If it wasn't you, no one else would it be, who could turn my world around like a spinner Rooney.